We'll proceed for what, boss? Today's application, that is calculator only. Okay, what it contains? I'll go for three text fields, three text fields only, and which is the calculator app again, but some different scenario. I'm going from here. What should I do, boss? This is my text, and in this text, this is my text. Okay, this is my calculator app. Here is my what is required, boss? Here, take an example. Enter first number, and this should be control U. Here is my text field. Here's my edit text. Sorry. Next here, enter second number. Here is my edit text too. Instead of this one, so here I will give you. Here I will take for operator. Operator may be like plus or minus or multiplication. Are you getting, boss? Multiplication, plus, minus, multiplication, and comma division, box. Fine. Based on this operator. Fine. Next here I will go for what, boss? Second number. Enter second number. Fine. And here is my result button. What is required? Here I need what? Result button. One button is required. That is whose is result. Here I will take one button. This is my button, and the result should display in toast. Result should display in a toast. This is application number, boss. 8th, 9th, okay, 7th calculator app. Okay, 7th calci app. Fine, boss. Everyone hand hold on this picture. Okay, let me create new application. File, new project. File, new project. Not in the repository. Let me give you here 7th calci app. Okay, let's go for next button. Select the minimum SDK. Next, select the empty activity. Next, here is my main activity, and just click on push. Okay, boss. In layout. Okay, in actors. Let me remove this all the predefined code. Is a constant layout. I don't want this constant layout. What I want, boss? Yeah, linear layout. Here is my linear layout, and let me put linear layout. Okay, Android colon. Just click on Alt Enter. Insert required attribute height. Okay, Control Z. These are the attributes that you have to insert. Okay, fine. Let me insert one more time. Android colon Alt Enter. Let me ask me to enter the first schema. Android colon layout. What should I mention? Height match match underscore parent. What should I mention here, boss? Android colon layout width. What should I mention here? Match parent. Next I need ID. Android colon ID. It is optional in this case because I am not performing any operation on this view. Which view? Linear layout view. So here I'm giving you LL1. Next, let me add orientation is required because this is vertical or horizontal. Okay, Android colon orientation. So let me go for this view vertical. Okay, boss. Fine. Next, what are the things are required? I need one text view. In the text view, I need text Android colon text 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 assignment operator. Let me use the text in the form of string format. This is not a good approach. That I will proceed for resources. Let me add the text here. This is my word was calculator okay, calculator Android app. Let me add what here was. Let me add what was Android colon not rotation bar, layout heighter. Yeah, what should I do? Let me wrap the content. Sorry, height wrap the content and Android colon layout width. Let me match the parent. Okay, let me mention the text size. Android colon text size. Let me mention the size is something like 20 30 dB. 30 dB. How's your designs? This is coming at here, boss. Let me maximize. Let me zoom. Okay, boss. If you want to change the color also, go for setting the color. Android colon text color. Go for hash because I am using hexadecimal color hash triple F. Oh, zero. You will get by default yellow. Let me change to somewhere any color, boss. Whatever color you will fish. I'm not very good at coding the color. Okay. Okay, boss. Violet color. Now here is a violet color. Now one more. Yesterday was in the gravity. Shall I go for gravity? Android colon. Show this gravity. Okay, let me set here. Android colon gravity. Next, what should I mention? Top and center. Top. It should start from top and it should be at where center. It will appear as the center. Why it is not appearing? Let me mention here. Let me remove from here. Control X. Let me mention. Let me come here. Okay, boss. Fine. This is more than enough. And then what I need some edit text. I need what, boss? Edit text now because there I will use without using label. Okay, edit text. Here is my layout. I want to width as a match parent, and here is I want to go for wrap content. They mention the ID and the plus ID, and this is my what NO1 and this is your edit text. You can set the text size and text color and text size, text color, and text style also. Okay, what kind of text you want to enter. Now let me add here what one more important property, guys. Android colon hint because in the previous diagram in the edit text only I decided to give the names of that edit text. Enter number na. Look at it. You cannot see any name here. This is the edit text na. There is no name inside. There is no hint. There is no provision to understand what should I have to enter here. So to overcome that, I should enter here. Enter first number. Okay, boss. You will come to know. Enter first number. Okay. You can go for padding also. You can go for padding. How to go for Android colon padding. Padding you want to go for left or padding you want to go for right or padding you want to go for top. Whatever the padding you want to mention, I want to mention the padding at left from suppose 20p. Okay. See here. Can you see the difference? Earlier time it was stick to where? Just the border area, left area of the applications. Now let me increase the height here. Android colon padding from top. Top is in the form of, so let me go for what? 20 dp. Now this is good. Huh? Okay, boss. Fine. Same way. Let me go for what, boss? The Android colon text. Android colon text color. I want to go for hash. Where is the hash, boss? Hash ff0. Let me choose the color from here. This is color indicator. Which color shall we go? Red color or somewhat orange like a color. Okay, fine, boss. Next let me go for text style. Android colon text style I want in italic. Okay, look at here. Okay, it is italic now, but when you type the numbers, at that time the color effect will come. Okay, here not enter a here and okay. So I need what was, let me copy and paste the same color for same code for whom was operator also. Let me copy and paste same code for operator also. Let me copy and paste same code for second number also. Okay, here what I'll use operator OPRTR OPRTR. Okay boss, fine. And what should I have to enter? You have to enter plus or minus, or what do you enter boss? Multiplication, or you enter what? Division. Okay, and here I'll go for number 2. Number 2. Enter second. Enter second. Okay boss. Now see the design coming. Padding also same for all. Okay. Same here also 20 distances there. Look at here. 20 dp distances here. Although it will be stick to both each other. We are going for padding top, padding left, and size I give the italic. What I need again? I need one button. What is left now? Button. Let me wrap the content. And what should I mention here was under text, Android colon text, calculate or result, whatever the word you want to see into that button table in the form of. Now the button is coming at here. It will mention the gravity, Android colon gravity, Android colon gravity. Let me add at the center, and also okay, center and more than it is not coming. It is not happening. The text is changing, center top is moving, but not the button control component. Let me give what? Android colon ID, because ID is required, Android plus ID. This is my button B1. Okay, fine. My design is ready now. What should I do now? Boss? Go to oh. Okay, fine. Otherwise again I need to build whole SDKs, remove the SDKs may not available that are. Okay, build the Gradle. Now huge issues along with the R guys. Okay, update all 5 to 10 GB of data. Fine boss. Let me find all the views. How can I find view by ID? R.id. This is my number 1. Number boss. Okay. Let me create all my edit texts first here. Edit first n1 comma op operator comma next n2. Okay, next I need what was button. This is for button. Okay, here I am getting what was the issue along with the packages. So just click on alt enter. This will import the predefined packages. So if you come to here button android.widget.button, android.widget.edit text. So all the packages are imported boss. Fine. Now I got this control component. Let me mention here for n1 assignment. Let me go for typecast text. Same for what boss? Same for what? N2. And here is I need what? N2. Here I need what? N2. And one more stuff I forget what? Operator. Control V. I need boss here. OPR TR operator. And here is what it required boss? OP. Okay, boss. I got all the control component, and one more control component left, that is B. Operator. Let me take button into find view by ID dot what I give RB1 I give result button 1. Okay, I got all these control components. So before proceeding that button, also before pressing that button also I can proceed for the values. And after pressing button also I can proceed for values for getting the text. But what I want to do, when the button is pressed, then only I want to proceed for getting the values from the edit text and then apply the processing operator. Okay, here you have to go for switch case. You have to go for what was switch case now. Okay, fine. One dot I have to apply the listener side. On click listen. What should I pass here boss? New on click listener. Okay boss, my on click listener is ready. On the button on click. Now what should I do? Let me get the text. Let me get the characters From where? Okay, shall we apply validation over here? Shall I apply validation? Okay, if it is empty and if you press the button, it should not generate any result, bad result. Are you getting? So we can go for applying validation. First we'll go for basic business logics, then we'll go for applying the validations, guys. Fine, what should I do? Get the text. First of all, I have to get the get a get a text get text dot 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 to string. Okay, and what? Suppose if I do what was uh, string number one. Okay, string number one. Same copy for what was to get the value for string 2 also. Here is my and here is my string number 2. Okay, also I have to get the text into where was from where operator na string string op okay sop fine. Here is my op dot get my control is moving to up string text, so get text dot to string dot one more is there. How to remove trim? Okay, there might be a chance that this will be available where was before and after the numbers or before and after the operator symbols plus minus multiplication division. So what I want to do, I want to remove those spaces, so you can use which method boss? Trim. So let me trim. So I'm in boss. Okay, this is called a method chaining. Okay, method chaining, because I'm applying the methods on a single object na. Okay, fine boss. Next what shall we do now convert into wrapper classes, wrapper class to parser. How can I convert? Int I need what boss? n1 got in1 integer number 1 is equal to integer dot integer dot parse int. This takes a parameter. Here is my number 1. Okay, here I got control C for whom was integer number 2 also. Okay, here is my number 2 also. Okay, now fine. Now you check, you have to check whether that operator is plus, whether that operator is minus, or whether that operator is what boss? Multiplication. Are you getting? So here you can go for if else also, here you can go for switch case also, whatever you will feel comfort. Are you getting boss? Fine. What I want to do, I want to take one more variable. Instead of writing multiple times toast messages in a switch case and if else, I will take one integer variable. I will add that result into where? Integer or float. Are you getting boss what I mean to say? And that variable should be placed in where boss? In a toast commonly. That is also possible. Otherwise create 4 to 5 toast messages, and in each and every case and in each and every if else statements. One more way, just perform the operation, place into single variable and display single variable toast at last. That is also possible. Are you getting boss? Okay, what shall we do? Go for switch case or shall we go for switch case na? Okay boss, fine. Let me go for switch. SWI switch off. What should I to compare? Which variable? SN to operator na? SOP. Can we compare string in switch? Can we compare string in? Can we get string in? Yes or no? From which feature onwards? Hmm? Hmm? There is constant is required. Means I had to convert into character. String also possible boss. String also possible from 1.8 onwards. Okay, means we can pass a string or the character value where in the switch case. That feature they have allowed. Let me have some R&D on the Google. Till then, res is equal to in integer 1 into integer number 2. Next here is my division. In the case of division, should I mention res assignment of 1 divide into. Okay boss, this all result. And here what I want to give, I would like to give for invalid result. But again the issue is here, invalid means again I need, again what the issue over here. Okay, that let me go for one more toast. Okay, toast dot make text dot pass the current class reference dot this comma. What I'm going to do here, let me add the message invalid operator, invalid operator comma, and the length of this toast dot long length, what should I call? Okay boss, fine, it's up to my success. Now let me display one more toast boss, one more toast for total result, control V, and what should I add here? Result is, or whatever the result or output result is, whatever result with res. Okay boss, fine, shall we run? Okay, till then let me launch my avd manager. Here is my nexus, launch this avd, it's running boss, starting avd. तुझं झालं का इन्स्टॉलेशन झालं, नेट कनेक्ट केलं का? हां, काय एरर येतो? काहीच एरर येत नाही का? पहिलं ॲप्लिकेशन एक तयार, हॅलो वर्ल्डचं तयार करून घे तोपर्यंत. झालं ना? एवढी मोठी कशाला एवढी तयार केली? तो डेस्कटॉपमध्ये डिप्लॉय केलं का? डब्ल्यू स्टोर रॅम, ठीक आहे. हे कालचं का ॲप्लिकेशन? 4 बटनचं, 4 बटनचं कालचं. There you have to take friends. Here I am taking only single button with the switch case. Okay, let me run boss. My AVD is ready now. AVD लहान तयार करा यार, मोठं नका करू, जास्त टाइम कमी करतो बघा तुमचा. Launching is not run, and this is my first app. Can you observe boss? Enter first number. Now 1. Here I am entering 2 boss. When I click on here, the keyboard should enable. Okay, keyboard enable now. Okay, but leave it whether you use keyboard or not. Let me, here I am entering what boss? 88. Let me add the operator here. Let me add the operator plus. Let me add what was here? Another 12 button. 12 numbers. Get back. Display the result. Invalid operator. It is not allowing me to compare the value. The case is not matching. Plus, minus, multiplication, and division. I made the trim also, but then also it is not allowing to operate. Let me check what the issue over here. Trim तरी केलं आहे. It's of 0. It is allowing me to go into default message now. Dot value of. How to convert to char? Okay. Dot to char. Let me go for to char. pass the character here only. Where is my string? Here is my string. Char COP character operator is equal single operator na. So I can hold single values. SOP dot to char if it's 2 char array, then I have to hold into here is my array. Okay, now here let me take here what should I pass here was COP dot COP of 0 will pass here, and here all are in sync code. Let me try here plus insert. I need what was plus, what I need single quote minus. Here I need, it is not exactly comparing in double quote, so I am going into single quote now, but it is true that we can pass strings into the switch case. That feature is not available in C++ currently. Let me go for multiplication. Let me go for division. Let me try now. Now this time may generate the index out of bound exception. Our index out of bound exception na, because I am converting string to character array, and this character array, where is that character array? I am taking into zero variable. This is character na, single character I am taking here. Gradle build running. CF background. Let me enter 1 2 minus. Next what should enter was 1 2 minus 2. Go back. Result invalid operator. It is not allowing me to compare the operator boss. Multiplication operator. The result invalid operator. It is finally going to where was, and which is left now? Minus ala plus ala division rela. Let me go for division. 10 minus 10 by 10 1.00. Okay, fine boss. Just those who want to write this code, they can have. Please don't expect any code from me. You have to practice by yourself. Okay, this is my seventh calci app. This is my layout here. What is the layout boss? Activity underscore main dot xml control V. Right guys, don't write at all. Okay, what should I mention here? This is my activity main activity dot java activity here main activity dot java. Let me copy and paste the java code also. Let me copy and paste java code to control A, control C, and here you can see here control C, and at last manifest dot xml. Okay, manifest nothing, not a Gradle guys, that काहीच नाही एवढं, so this will be done by automatically. Okay, control C, just here control V. This is the manifest guys. This is what was activity. This is what was layout. Okay, and what is the day today? I think 7th day. Here is my 7th calci. Okay boss, you can write this whole code. Text view, edit text button, and here is my activity, and after activity, okay, this code is also right. Even you can proceed for string also, and this is manifest. Those who want to write, they can write, and those who want to skip, they can skip. Fine boss.